All right, let's start here. So you have a question that says estimate each product, okay? Use the rounding to the nearest whole number. So let's just say I'm trying to do this question here, this one. So I will write 9.6 times 5. So to round to the whole number, you underline this guy first and look at the number behind it. So if the number behind is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then you add 1 to the underlined term here. So add 1 here, you will get 10, okay, multiplied with 5. So my answer is just 50. So you write 50 here, okay? So similarly here, this one, the number behind is 4. It's not 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So I just take this as 2. So it'll be 18 multiplied with 2. So I will just get 36. Yeah? All right. So let's see another one. Multiply the decimal by whole number. So let's pick this question. 6 times, so let me rewrite this. I will just write it this way. I will write 6 times 8.52. So I will put this big guy first. 852 times 6. Okay, so when you're multiplying this, we can ignore the decimal point and write here that this guy has 2 decimal point, while this guy has 0 decimal point. So let's multiply it out. So 6 times 2 is 12. You put 1 here. 6 times 5 is 30. Added 1, you get 31. 6 times 8 is 48. Added 3, you get 51. Now what I will do is I will add the decimal point. So my answer will be 2 decimal point. So I move the decimal from here 2 times. 1, 2. So this is where I place the decimal point. So my answer is 51.12. Okay, this is the decimal point that I get. So that's my answer. Yeah. All right, let's see one more. Let's see this one. If we multiply the decimals together. Okay, let's pick this question. So I will just write here 62 multiplied with 3. Now, how many decimal points does 62 have? 2. This is 0.62. So you write here 2 dp. And how many decimal point this guy has? 1. So just write here 1 dp. Add the decimal point. Your answer will be 3 decimal point. Yeah? So I know it's 3 dp. Let's multiply out. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Right? So 3 decimal point. So you move the decimal here forward. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 0.186. Yeah? All right, let's see one more. Let's see this question. So I will write just 9 times 6. Now just write how many decimal point this guy have. 1, 2. So 2 dp. This 1 dp. Add the decimal point, you get 3 dp. Okay, so 3 decimal point. Now let's multiply it out. 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, so 3 decimal point. I will move decimal forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So there's a 0 here. You put 0 in front. So my answer will be 0.054. Yeah? All right. Let's see multiplication by the power of 10. Okay, here. So you look at the 10 here. You have 1 0. Okay, keep that in mind. When you have 1 0, you just move the decimal back only 1 time. Therefore, my answer will be 48.2. What if you have 2 zeros? Then you move the decimal back 2 times. So my answer will be 671. What about 3 zeros? Move back 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There. So my answer is 530. Yeah? All right, let's see something like this. How to do this question? Same, just write 75. Okay, ignore the decimal. multiplied with 1. Okay, then you write here, how many decimal point does this guy have? 1. So just write 1 dp. How many decimal point you see here? 3. So right here, 3 dp. So if you multiply it out, add the dp, your answer will contain 4 decimal point. Okay, so I know that 75 times 1 is just 75. Okay, so my answer will have 4 decimal point. So move 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 0 here placed. My answer is 0.0075. Yeah. All right, let's see next.